my black soap, and I've just popped a bit here on my hand. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we're going to be making a glowy black soap for glowing skin, black soap for flawless skin. I love black soap. Do I have your attention? Now, if you know this is something you're interested in, then keep watching how I make this amazing black soap for glowing skin. So first of all, I got my black soap from the market. Whenever you buy black soap, just make sure it's the original black soap. It's called black soap, but it actually is brown. So I'm just going to grate my black soap down to make sure we have it in very little, smaller quantities. So what are the benefits of black soap? It cleanses and exfoliates the skin. It helps to treat acne. It also removes dark spots and acne scars, which basically is the lightening effect that black soap naturally has. Now the next step is for you to get organic original honey. Now be generous with your addition of this honey. I've added in quite a bit of honey. Now I'm going to be using a double boiler method to melt down our black soap. I don't want to use direct heat for this step because direct heat can kill off some of the benefits from the black soap. That's why I'm using a double boiler method. You have to be patient because I continuously stirred the black soap. Now I've melted it down and you can see it's looking very thick. So I'm going to be adding in palm oil. Now red palm oil is amazing for our skin. It also helps to reverse the signs of premature aging like fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, as well as hyperpigmentation, making your skin shine and glow like never before. I'm also going to be adding lemon to this black soap. Now lemons are high in alkaline, so you have to be quite careful not to use too much of it. Lemon can also decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for our skin. It has anti-aging benefits for the skin. It also helps to boost collagen production. Now I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of camwood. It improves your skin's texture. It makes your skin glow. It's just amazing. Turmeric has been a favorite of mine for a long time. So you find that a lot of Indian brides use it before their wedding because it just glows up the skin. I've also added in 1 teaspoon of neem. Neem powder also works in glowing your skin up to even out the skin tone naturally and safely while giving you the desired flawlessness and glow to your skin. So I'm also going to be adding in glycerin, and I'm also going to be adding in preservative as well. Now I'm adding in rice flour as well. Rice powder contains a lot of vitamins and minerals that help to achieve a clean, flawless skin. Please God, give them strength. Please God. Now I'm just going to transfer it into clean, sterilized jars. While it's sitting in the jar, it also continues to melt organically, giving it more of a gel-like liquid consistency. That is my black soap, and I've just popped a bit here on my hand, and I'm just going to work that all over my face. But it is so good. I'm just going to put a little bit of water on my hand and lather that through. A bit of water. Now, the beautiful thing about black soap is it actually is very good for the skin. It addresses certain skincare problems that we might have, especially regarding acne or oily prone skin. Now, if I was in the shower, I would definitely get more water, but I just want to show you how I wash my face. And I also adhere to the 60-second rule, which basically means you work your cleanser into your face for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to get my face washed and then we'll come back. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Please leave a comment and let me know if you're going to try it or if you tried it and how you got on. Just let's build one big happy family in the comment section. And I hope you consider subscribing and definitely share and like this video. So until I come, signing out.